If anyone gets a single drop of slime into this car, I'm gonna lose my mind.
I was gonna say you could pay me $100.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Peachybbies.
Welcome.
We're on a slime road trip right now, but that's not gonna stop us from making slime for you guys. So here we are in our car, and
This is our car.
we're gonna see if it's possible to make slime while sitting in a car.
You know, we're prepared for this, okay? We're not gonna get slime anywhere. We even have towels. And look, Christian already started. What the heck? We have like these giant buckets.
All right.
Can you guys see Christian's booster seat?
Hey, whoa! I may be near a short king, but I'm not one.
I want to make a giant slime.
We don't have enough activator in here for that.
Yeah,
Wait,
we do.
actually, where is the activator?
We're in the middle
It's
of the
by my
desert right
feet.
now.
Oh, okay.
I've got
Help us, please. We're on a road trip and we have to spend all this time together.
Anyways, Christian, how's your week been?
Been good. I got a new car.
Is it this car that we're in right now? It's not.
I won't tell you what it
lying.
is because I got a fun car.
It is fun. I have to say, I love the color.
There you go.
I feel like it screams Christian.
Yeah, it is a blue. It is a blue vehicle.
Christian screams blue vehicle.
I do. I give off blue energy.
Didn't you say you hated the color blue?
No, blue is my favorite color.
You literally specifically told me you hated
Well,
blue.
what's your favorite color?
Red?
Oh, red's the worst color. I mean, come on.
Is that why your hands are always red?
Mine?
Christian, why are your
What?
hands always red?
No, you're the one that always has dye. Listen,
Speaking of red dye.
we'll be filming
Literally
videos
red.
and Aaron's hands will be like, look at you have dye in your hand right now.
That's actually true. Erin always has some dye on her hands, but it shows that she's working hard.
You guys want to go to Wendy's?
I'm down for Wendy's. I actually just tried Wendy's for the first time the other day.
Really?
The
With
first
you,
time.
I was with you.
Oh yeah.
Here's my little spatula. So cute. Look at
my
that.
son. Aaron, your big elbow is covering it.
Don't call my elbow big.
It's big.
It's not.
Oh, I forgot to bring scent. I should have brought the Mountain Dew.
Dude, we should have brought like something to theme our slime. We didn't bring anything.
Did you guys hear about the thing?
What thing?
What thing?
I don't know.
Wait, can we just talk about how you recently went on a trip and like almost got attacked by a bear?
Wait, what?
We need to bring that up.
So I went on a hiking trip recently. I've been on hiking trips before, and I thought this was gonna be similar to that, just like a chill little hiking trip. No, we ran out of water. We were
Wait,
in the
is this real?
Yes.
No, literally, like she like
This was where I was
bear.
last weekend on my family vacation.
Wait, you did blue? I thought you put red.
I did put red. What are you talking about?
Why is it blue?
It's not, Christian. This is red slime.
Okay, tell me about how you got eaten by a bear.
I didn't get eaten by a bear.
You almost got eaten by a bear.
So there was a bear. What would you guys have done if I came back eaten by a bear?
I'd be like, go to the hospital, please.
No, they would have had to like fly you out like with a helicopter.
They'd just fly me out. They'd be like, you're gonna be late to work. No, but we went on a little trip. It was super fun. Yes, there was a bear up there. We did see a bear. He was about 10 feet away from us, but he kind of was just minding his own business. Oh, I forgot to put gloves on.
I support your non.
No, you need gloves, girl.
Anyways, Kristen, I saw you saw a bear too, or a beaver.
Oh yeah, I went to Boosie's.
You went to Busey's?
I went to
Dude,
Boosie's.
I love Busey's.
I love Boosie's.
Did you buy any good snacks?
I actually got two merchandise items that were all very inexpensive. What do you think I got?
Got a portable charger and a hat. You got a hat for sure.
Oh, you definitely got a
No?
hat.
No, I got 2 pins.
Aw.
Aw, that's so wholesome.
and a nail clipper.
Why did you get a nail clipper?
Because it's a nice travel size. I had one and it broke, and like I have a really bad habit when I'm driving. I like to cut my nails or like I fidget with them.
While you're driving?
While I'm driving. Well, listen, okay, it's like when I'm at a stop sign.
It's like when you run out of snacks, you start biting your nails, Christian.
Yeah, there's a lot of protein in there.
Ew!
No, I don't.
Wait,
that's
the randomest thing. Like, I've never heard of anyone stopping at Busey's to buy nail clippers.
Well, I got that and a barbecue sandwich in the same transaction.
Dude, the guy there must have been like, what?
Dude, he was probably like, dude, I didn't know you were chill like that. What are you talking
Wait, so
about?
if I'm in a car emergency, can I call you for roadside assistance to come trim my nails?
Yeah. Well, no.
Here's the thing, Christian is always prepared. Like, we all have our own carts, but Christian has a cart that literally has like toothpaste, mouthwash, deodorant, to toothbrush. He has like
because
his
I get
house.
stinky.
I've never noticed that.
Slamming it up in a road trip. Where do you guys think we're going? Comment down below where you think we're going.
Busey's. We're going to Wendy's.
Alexa, take me to Wendy's.
Teleport. Bro,
Aaron!
Erin has her foot on the wheel.
I'm trying to get my foot.
Is that how you drive,
I
Erin?
can't show you.
What the heck?
She's driving with her
Look at
toes.
what
Dude,
Take that
she's
foot out of
literally
there.
driving with her toes.
Yeah,
Girl.
so actually I do that. Doo-doo.
She do.
Anyways.
She's poops her pants.
What?
Can I activate a por favor?
See,
Por favor.
I think Christian's getting better at Spanish.
Yeah, we've been trying to teach him Spanish.
Yeah.
Michael and Anna and I all know Spanish.
Talking about Michael, where I think it's very suspicious that all of a sudden Michael disappeared, right? He disappeared.
kind of like drama.
And Christian went on vacation at the same time.
Well, yeah, you know, Michael lives in Chicago now.
What?
He belongs to the streets.
What does that mean?
I said the streets. He belongs in the asphalt. I poured asphalt over him, and he's currently a speed bump.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, he was.
Did you take Michael with you and
he
leave
was
him
a
in the
speed bump
streets?
in my life, and I thought that
pretty sure
metaphorically speaking, that would be perfect. He's not real.
He's totally real, dude.
Why would you say that,
That is so
Dude, yeah.
offensive.
Well, Michael belongs to the streets.
Why would you say that?
I feel like mine's about to become slime.
Mine
Yeah.
is becoming slime. It just needs a little bit more activator. Can I have activator?
Activator.
Activator, hardly know her.
How did this make this? Christian, did you switch on my dye?
I did not, Aaron. I would never do that to you.
I don't know if we can trust you anymore.
But the whole Michael thing?
Yeah, after the Michael thing, you're kind of sus.
That's fine. You can think that.
We're getting there. Ooh, guys, I have some slime.
Very nice. I'm almost there.
Oh, the gloves are right
I still
there.
don't understand. You had red.
That's what I said. That's what I was saying. You switched out my dye.
I did not switch out your dye.
Y'all are beefing in all this eye contact. Look at that, guys.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Careful.
That's my trick of the day.
Careful.
Anyways, how have you been, Aaron?
Yeah, Aaron, give me some
You
updates.
seem a little beefy with Christian, but aside from the beef, what's up in your life?
I
What's
don't know.
going
I
on?
just miss Michael, dude. Like, I feel like our lives used to be so Michael oriented.
I know, and he's like been gone for so long.
Can't relate.
You're just jealous of him, dude.
You know, don't say that. That hurts my feelings.
Something interesting though is that before Christian worked here, he was a professional skater.
Oh yeah. Did you guys know that Christian's skateboarding name is actually Tony Hawk?
We got slime on the Tesla. It's okay. It was just this small.
We're on a road trip, right? We're crossing the world right now. We're basically on tour, but not touring. We have to consistently make slime at every rest stop we come to.
And the next one is Wendy's. But after that, we're gonna rizz up Wendy, bring her in the car.
Wendy slime,
Wendy,
you know what I'm
remember Wendy?
saying?
I highly recommend going with your friends in a car and making slime. It really brings you together.
But if you can't drive, don't drive.
If you don't know how to drive.
Don't drive and also don't get slime in your mom's car.
Aaron just got a bunch of slime on the car.
No, I got it off.
Oh no.
I got it off!
It's there! I see it!
I can show you my slime.
Christian is sticky and
stinky.
we still love
If
him
he
because
doesn't
he
wear
is a
deodorant,
slime. That's
his
why
whole
he has a toothbrush.
We're
in
singing
his
two
car.
very different songs.
Christian, by the way, how's the beef been with Scrub Daddy? I know you just made a video about it recently, and I feel like the beef is still going on. Like, why? What did you just do? What are you talking? Is there slime on my hair?
It's okay, I got it.
It's an accident!
Stay calm.
Christian, did you do this?
I didn't do it on purpose! No, we're in an expensive car. I think it was when I was taking off my glove a little.
Oh, it's fine.
Hey,
I'm so sorry. I still don't have my slime made and it's been 25 minutes.
look at my slime.
We have some good slime.
I mean, I'm close. I'm close.
Well, you gotta hurry it up, Christian, because we got a Wendy's to get to.
Yeah, Wendy is waiting for us.
Oh yeah, there's a funny thing that like anytime I need something from Aaron, I'll do like, I'll be like, hey Aaron, can you give me my phone please?
I don't know why that happens.
You always
I just always only to you too.
Yeah, whenever he talks to Aaron, he's always like, Ellen, can you do this for me? And like, I'm sorry, Ellen. Like, you literally become a little, like, 2-year-old. And it's only with her. It's
only with Aaron
Yeah,
too.
and Aaron's just like, yeah, sure.
We were literally filming a video earlier today. Christian was like, hey Jesse, can you press like start on the camera or whatever? And then he turns to me and he was like, oh wait, are you ready? So the reason that we're making this slime in the parking lot of a Wendy's is because, you guys know how we don't have any money and we get paid in slime? We're kind of hoping that if we go into the Wendy's that they'll let us buy food with the slime. Because like it worked for the car. We got the car.
Yeah, we got the car with the slime.
Yeah,
We were
with the
thinking
Tesla
that,
worked.
like, Wendy would appreciate some slime.
Because I heard Wendy likes slime.
Yeah, where did we even hear that from?
The Twitter, I think.
The Twitter?
The Twitter.
You're right. So since we're on a road trip,
Life is a highway. I wanna ride it all night long.
Yeah.
This is Toad if he was singing the Star Spangled Banner. I'll say, can you see that good?
Whoa, that was pretty good.
That's pretty good.
This is Kermit the Frog if he was singing the Star Spangled Banner.
Oh, say, can you see? Pretty good.
That was pretty good. Well, anyways, since we're on a road trip, we should tell each other some little secrets or something.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Christian,
what's
is...
your
Why are you going to me first?
I was gonna say, what's your biggest, deepest, darkest secret?
I'm gonna do pass.
What? You can't pass.
Truth
Part
or
of the
dare?
game.
Truth or dare?
Oh yeah, truth or dare.
All right, dare.
Ah, what have you done?
Christian keeps getting slime
Wait,
on our
what?
hair.
Let me see.
Why is your slime darker and in my hair?
That's yours.
Okay, I dare you to tell us what your deepest, darkest secret is.
I'm quirky. I'm weird.
He's not like other guys.
Yeah, I'm not like other guys. I'm a slime guy.
What's your deepest, darkest secret?
No, I just think it's funny when people say that when I have a girlfriend.
What?
Wait,
you think
what?
it's weird that people say you have a girlfriend?
No, when I mention it, they're like, what? It's like
they're
they just
super
think I
surprised.
just like live at this slime factory, like I don't have any sort of life.
That's the thing, is people are so shocked that we have lives outside of
Oh
slime.
yeah, that's
'Cause
true. I got a comment like yesterday on one of my TikToks and they were like, I actually love you, but you're not real. You're just the slime.
What?
Yeah, they're like, I love you, I'm so obsessed with you, but you're actually not real. You're just the slime girl. You're not real.
You're just an AI.
Yeah, I'm like, what? Aaron, truth or dare?
Truth.
What is the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you?
One time, I got yelled at in front of Jojo Siwa.
Bro, you met
How did you
Jojo
get-
Siwa?
This is a true story. So I used to work at Disney World, and Jojo Siwa loves Disney World. She was there all of the time. She especially loves Epcot, and I used to work in Epcot. But one time I was working a late shift where I was gonna be there until like 2 in the morning, and Jojo Siwa was there. It was to promote the new Guardians of the Galaxy ride, and Jojo Siwa was gonna ride it. I was like walking through, and I heard somebody be like, hey, hey! And I was like,
It's Jojo Siwa.
and I see Jojo Siwa, and she's like, dream guest on my podcast. she turns to me, she goes, is that Aaron from Peachybbies? You're the dream guest on my podcast.
Oh, so this is just all
No,
cat.
no, it actually did happen. It grew.
Dude, I just can't believe that you met
I just
Jojo.
can't
did
let
not.
you believe
Or like-
Jojo.
I
Dude,
did not.
that's sad.
I did not meet her.
Dude, you know what's crazy? She's taller than you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's like
She's-
super tall.
She's taller than you too, because you're taller than me.
Wait, is she 5'9" or 5'10"?
She's 5'10". So she's taller than
Wait,
both of us.
Jojo could beat me up. No.
That's crazy.
All right, so we gotta take her on.
Jojo Siwa's gonna beat me up.
We should give Jojo Siwa slime.
And I think she would like it. I feel like it's in her like aesthetic, you know?
Yeah, maybe not her new aesthetic, but we could give her emo girl,
Ooh yeah.
Oh yeah.
which you can get from peachybbies.com at 7 p.m.
Ooh.
Eastern Standard Time.
That's right. We have so many really cool slimes right now. You guys should check it out.
Well, I think I need to get my Wendy's because we've been sitting here for a while. And I feel like we have enough slime to buy our burgers.
I think
Okay.
so. We got a good
Can I
amount.
have one Wendy's burger, please?
Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.